What is it with us and motorcycles? Are we chasing childhood dreams? Are we looking for a sense of purpose? Are we still trying to prove to ourselves that actually we are secret adventurers after all? Whatever it is, I'm delving deep in this one. For many riders, a motorcycle is far more than just a machine. It's a companion, an escape, and an extension of one's personality. The bond between a rider and their bike is often deeply emotional, shaped by countless journeys, memories, and personal experiences. However, just as quickly as we can fall in love with a motorcycle, we can also find ourselves falling out of love with it. Understanding the emotional connection to our bikes and the reasons we sometimes move on can help us appreciate the ever-changing relationship we have with our two-wheeled companions.
I could honestly ride this bike all day long.
Riding a motorcycle provides an unparalleled sense of freedom. It offers an escape from the routine, an opportunity to explore the unknown, and a direct connection with the open road. The more adventures we have with our bikes, the deeper our attachment grows. Each ride tells a story, and with every mile covered, our bikes become a part of who we are. The thrill of twisting the throttle, feeling the wind against our skin, and conquering new landscapes makes motorcycling an exhilarating and liberating experience. A motorcycle is often present during some of our most cherished moments. Our first solo ride, a cross-country adventure, or even a simple Sunday cruise that cleared our minds. These experiences create sentimental value, making it hard to part ways. Over time, our bike becomes a symbol of our personal growth, resilience, and milestones. Every scratch, modification, or upgrade tells a story, making the machine feel irreplaceable. Unlike cars, motorcycles require an intimate level of engagement. From leaning into corners to feeling the vibration of the engine beneath us, there's a sensory connection that builds a relationship between rider and machine. The way a bike responds to us, the sound it makes, and the way it feels at speed all contribute to a sense of unity that feels almost alive. This connection often leads to riders referring to their bikes with names and treating them with a level of care usually reserved for living beings. Many riders modify their motorcycles to reflect their personality, whether it's through custom paint jobs, performance upgrades, or adding sentimental accessories. These changes make the bike feel like a personal creation rather than just another vehicle, reinforcing that emotional connection. The effort and care put into maintenance also deepen the attachment, as each repair and upgrade is a labour of love. A bike that has been personally tailored to its rider becomes a part of their identity, making it even harder to let go. Owning a motorcycle also connects riders to a broader community. Whether it's group rides, motorcycle clubs, or online forums, the shared passion for bikes creates lasting friendships and a sense of belonging. The camaraderie between riders, the respect earned on the road, and the shared understanding of the joys and struggles of motorcycling further strengthen our emotional attachment. A motorcycle can be a ticket into a lifestyle, one that shapes our social circles and even our daily routines. I personally have made more friends through my last 5 years of motorcycling than I had done in the previous 20 years. And just like any relationship, when the time is up, there's no way back. Just as we evolve, so do our preferences. A motorcycle that once felt perfect may no longer suit our riding style, comfort needs, or aesthetic desires. Perhaps we started with a sports bike, but now crave the comfort of a cruiser. Or maybe a larger touring bike now feels too heavy and impractical. When our needs change, our emotional attachment can begin to fade. Riders often go through phases, shifting from speed-focused riding to long-distance touring, or from solo adventures to family-friendly commuting, leading them to seek a bike that better fits their current lifestyle. As bikes age, they may develop mechanical issues, leading to frustration and financial strain. A motorcycle that constantly breaks down or requires expensive repairs can quickly lose its appeal. What was once a source of joy can become a source of stress, making it easier to let go and move on to a newer, more reliable machine. The loss of trust in a motorcycle's performance can diminish the excitement of riding it, turning what was once a thrill into a burden. The excitement of owning a new bike often fades over time. The rush of acceleration, the feel of the ride, and the uniqueness of the experience can become routine. When the thrill diminishes, riders may start looking for something new, perhaps a more powerful engine, a different riding experience, or simply a fresh start with a different machine. The honeymoon phase of motorcycle ownership eventually ends, and some riders find themselves longing for a new challenge or a different kind of excitement. Life circumstances can also affect our attachment to a bike. A motorcycle that was once a symbol of freedom might start feeling like a reminder of a past chapter we've moved on from. Relationships, family responsibilities, career changes, or financial priorities can shift our perspective, making it easier to part ways with a bike we once adored. Sometimes a motorcycle represents a specific era of our lives, one that we cherished but no longer feel connected to. The motorcycle industry constantly evolves, with newer models offering better technology, improved performance and sleeker designs. Riders who once adored their bikes may find themselves tempted by the latest innovations, making their current ride feel outdated. Been there, done that. The lure of newer models with advanced features can lead to a gradual detachment from an older bike, especially if the rider starts to see their machine as lacking in comparison. Motorcycles, like any passion-driven possession, go through phases in our lives. Sometimes the attachment is lifelong, while other times it is temporary but intense. Letting go of a beloved bike doesn't mean the end of our love for riding. It simply means we're making room for new experiences and new machines that will spark fresh emotions. The beauty of motorcycling is that every ride, every bike, and every journey leaves a lasting impression, shaping our ever-evolving relationship with the open road. Some riders keep their first bikes forever, displaying them in garages like cherished trophies. I, for one, am still on the search for a bike like my first one, but to no avail. Others sell them off for the thrill of something new. Some regret letting go, also been there and done that, whilst others never look back. The emotional attachment we form with our bikes is fluid, influenced by time, circumstances, and personal evolution. The emotional connection we form with our motorcycles is deep and complex, built through freedom, experiences, and personal investment. Yet, just as love for a bike can develop quickly, it can also fade due to changing needs and reliability issues or life's shifting priorities. Ultimately, whether we hold on to a bike for a lifetime or move on to a new machine, the memories and emotions associated with each ride remain, fueling our passion for motorcycling in an ever-evolving way. And if I'm honest, the ride never truly ends, with new bikes, new roads, and new adventures ahead. I hope this video resonated with you, and thank you so much for watching. Dave Perry, WheelieGoodTV. It's a wrap.